Now we turn our attention to the worsening economic situation in Myanmar. The country has been in turmoil since 2021 military coup, and the impacts are becoming increasingly severe. Take a look at this next report for more details.
Myanmar's economy is in a dire state. The World Bank has slashed its growth forecast for the fiscal year to 1%, citing the ongoing political turmoil and escalating civil war as key factors. This stagnant growth comes hand in hand with a surge in poverty. The World Bank estimates that 32.1% of the population now lives below the national poverty line, a level not seen since 2015. The conflict has also displaced over 3 million people within the country, further straining resources and disrupting livelihoods. Businesses are facing a double whammy: labor shortages due to a conscription plan implemented by the junta and a sharp decline in cross-border trade. Land border trade with key partners like China and Thailand has plummeted, with exports dropping by 44% and imports falling by 71%. This disruption to trade has further weakened the Myanmar economy. The value of the Myanmar currency, the kyat, has been volatile, leading to inflation and making it difficult for businesses to plan and budget. Shortages of foreign currency are also hindering the import of essential goods and raw materials. The energy sector is another area of concern. Electricity production is expected to decline, leading to power outages that will disrupt manufacturing and other economic activities. With limited access to foreign currency, it's difficult for Myanmar to import the necessary resources to improve its energy infrastructure. The economic outlook for Myanmar is bleak. The World Bank predicts little respite for households in the near to medium term. This means that the current hardships such as poverty, inflation and lack of basic necessities are likely to persist for some time. Bureau Report, WION World is One.